Your relationship or your marriage is happy and lasting or not depends massively on whether you and your partner are on the same page on these three areas. Any disagreements on any of these three areas is a guarantee that your relationship will suffer and eventually lead to a breakup or divorce. So without further ado, let's check out the three important topics, areas that every couple needs to talk about in their relationship and before they get married. Do you know that money is one of the most common reasons lead to divorce? A lot of arguments, disagreements, and fights between couples are about money, not in alignment on how to use, spend, and save money between two partners are the source of stress, anger, resentment, and frustration. Think about it. The more you love your partner and spend time with them, you want them to have the mindset on money the same as you do, or at least not opposite to what you believe. Otherwise, you don't feel understood and you feel like out of alignment in your relationship. If you wanted to spend money on clothes, food, and fun, while your partner wants to save every single penny for investing, they don't want to spend money unless it is out of necessity, then you easily take it personally and think that they don't care about your feelings and your needs. You want to spend money on vacation and traveling with your friends, while your partner thinks it's a good idea to save and invest money in real estate. You think that your partner is selfish and doesn't know how to enjoy life, while your partner thinks that they are responsible with their money and that's how they take care of you and themselves. Both you and your partner have good reasons to spend and save money. It just happens that both of you don't share the same financial philosophy. In that case, it's very easy to accuse each other for not caring and thinking about the other person. It hurts to have these thoughts, and eventually enough is enough and you both break up. Money is like blood in the body. Without blood, we die, and without money, our lives suffer. Therefore, how you spend and save money is very important, and it is even more important to have a partner who shares the same philosophy on money. Otherwise, a small argument builds up on another one and another one, and the couple feels like their partner doesn't care, doesn't love them. They feel hurt, they feel unloved, and eventually they break up or divorce. Money is important to you and to your partner, so make sure you both have discussion about money early on in your relationship to avoid unnecessary argument, hurt related to how one spends and saves money. Do you want to have kids? How many? Do you want to settle down, buy a house, and start your own family soon? How about your partner? Do they want the same thing as you do? If the answer is yes, do you assume or you know for sure that they want the exact same thing as you do? I know this couple who broke up with each other after 9 years together. 9 years. It's a very long time. Can you guess the reason why they separated? It is because the guy wanted to have kids while the lady didn't want to. They could have prevented spending years with someone who wasn't on the same page with them if they had the conversation about family topic early on in their relationship. So make sure you don't make the same mistake. This is a painful and preventable mistake, so please talk about this important topic with your partner early on in your relationship. My husband and I are definitely on the same page with each other on this important topic because since the beginning of our relationship till now, we have always talked to one another about the family, the life we want to build together. This is a super important topic because if your partner is different from you and you're unwilling to change for them and they are unwilling to change for you, then you both aren't meant for each other. Please never ever try to change or make your partner change their mind when it comes to family. You're wasting your time if you're thinking that someday they will change and want the same thing as you do, because they will not. You will never be able to change anyone unless they want to change themselves. And in your case, whether your partner wants to have kids, settle down, or the opposite, it's what they want, and they don't want you to change their mind. So save your heart from the pain, disappointment, and hurt by talking about this important topic early on with your partner. And if your partner doesn't share the same thing as you do, then make a decision and take action quick. Don't wait till 9 years to take action. Relationship and marriage mean differently to different people. For some people, relationship is a must because everyone around them all has a partner, so they don't want to be the odd one who doesn't have someone with them. For others, they want to have a relationship, so they would have someone to share their life adventure with. Other people want to have a partner so they can have sex safely and more frequently. Other women and other men, however, they look at marriage and relationship as fulfillment and growth. Same words, marriage and relationship. However, they mean completely differently to different people. This is expected because we are all different human beings. However, problem occurs when two people with different definition of what a relationship is or what a marriage is in a relationship or in a marriage with each other. Conflicts, arguments, resentment, anger, and so many other negative feelings are expected in this relationship. A person who gets into a relationship so he or she can have sex whenever they want isn't the right one for someone who looks at a relationship as a place for respect and love. Both will inevitably hurt each other because they aren't on the same page of what a relationship means to them. Because they have different definition of what a relationship is, they will also have different expectation of what a girlfriend, a boyfriend, a husband, or a wife does in a relationship. If a man expects his wife to stay home and take care of the kids while she wants to go out to work and be a CEO, this couple will surely fill out the divorce sooner or later, or they will stay in a miserable relationship and hate each other. So what do you expect from your partner? Have you thought of this? And also, what a relationship or a marriage mean to you? Ask your partner these questions and have them answer. Only when both of you are transparent with each other about what do you expect from one another can you figure how to make your relationship work and last. Oftentimes, when one feels hurt in a relationship, this means his or her expectation is being unmet or violated. Having a discussion about each other's expectations will save the two partners from many hurt, anger, disappointment in their relationship. So here are the 3 topics that every couple needs to talk early on in their relationship and before they get married in order to build a happy, healthy, successful, and lasting relationship and marriage. These are finance, family, and expectations. The earlier and the more transparent the conversations are, the better and happier the couple feels later. I hope this video adds value to your love life. For more future videos like this, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn the bell notification on, and you will be notified when my next video is out. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you have a great day. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.